We are here today with Cyril Jeet Gupta, as I've known you for years. Welcome back to the show, Cyril.
Thank you so much, Mike. It's been quite some time before the last one. So, yeah, I'm happy to be back.
Yeah, Cyril was off doing his thing, and I know that you've been really concentrating on putting out quality software. And that's one of the reasons I know that you kind of left the internet marketing space, that you were sick of all these different software coming out that wasn't like people weren't putting a lot of time, they weren't putting a lot of effort into actually supporting their software and providing a good customer service experience. And I know that that's something that's really important to you. So I just want to thank you for that and really happy to have you on here today. I'm going to jump right in and read off the headline for the new software that you have. And I say new, but I know that you've actually had people testing it for at least 4 months now. So you got some results to talk about today. But it says here on the headline, rank your sites higher and get more traffic from search with our new smart AI writer technology that Google loves, introducing the first multi-AI smart writer that creates human-like, unique, and high-quality content. So, Cyril, what's this all about, and why should we be excited?
Absolutely. Mike, now, this product that I have created, like you said, it's been out in the market for a couple of months. I like just 2 months ago, and I ran a beta program with it. So yeah, that's absolutely correct. But I'll tell you about how I got to make it or why I decided to make it. So this was something that I was doing myself, running a blog. Like I have a bunch of blogs, not one, and I'm trying to target traffic from different niches. And I am like Facebook ads and Google content and search and so many different niches. And I do have content writers, and I also use AI a lot. And when I was trying to use some tools myself, I found that there was a big problem. All of these tools, the AI tools that I was introduced to, that I used, they were using the same AI engine in every one of them. It was GPT 3.5, GPT-4, just OpenAI all over the place. And the problem with that is that's like using one brain to write all your content. And I'm talking about like tens or even hundreds of thousands of people who are using OpenAI, GPT AI right now to create content. So no matter how much you try to give it a prompt that's imaginative or how unique you try to make things, it's ultimately the same algo inside that's creating the content. And that's why a lot of content that it generates kind of ends up looking like the same, and it's not able to rank at all. So the first thing I wanted to do was create a multi AI system. And in Blogi, I have got 17 AIs. So if people
How
get the
many?
front end, 17, 1 7, yep, and it's
17.
growing.
Whoa. Okay.
That's the entire point. Because if you use 17 different AIs, if you try to find the right one for you, you're going to be sure that the content that you create is unique. That's the most important compelling point. And it's right there in the headline. So the content has to be unique. Of course, the AIs are good. You can customize it. And when you see the demo, you will see the value, the amount of customization or uniqueization that I have in there. But it's got this value that nobody else has, giving you access to 17 different brains. That's the first thing. And then because I've been blogging myself, I identified a lot of different issues. Like, okay, I'll tell you about one of the features that I built in, which was missing everywhere else, and which is missing from any AI. Like no other AI can write content on trending topic by itself. So I built a feature in it by which you can ask it to follow any website. Let's say you are a big fan of TechCrunch, or there's a favorite blogger who's doing a great job in your niche. You can get blogging to follow that website, and whenever that person publishes a new article, Blogi is going to read it, reinterpret it, make it copyright free, and write the same topic, the same the similar topic article on your website. So whatever new is happening, whatever trending stuff is happening, you can actually have content on it without having to actually do the research yourself. You just need to follow 3 or 4 your favorite bloggers in your niche, and you have a website that's absolutely relevant, absolutely trending all the time. So these are some of the nuances. Like there's a lot more, but I've tried to give it a flavor that no other content writer system has in AI. By the way,
I mean,
also let me give you another example before we
yeah, go
continue.
ahead.
Sorry
Go ahead. I
to
mean, I just want to say I've been looking at all the features that this has and all this stuff. I mean, you've gone way overboard on this and just added so much stuff. And then people always ask, like, can you do multiple languages? And I know the answer is yes.
Oh,
Can you
yeah.
do this with, like, can you, like you said, follow any website and get their latest articles?
Not,
Yes.
not
Can you
just
do
multiple
affiliate?
language. Let me give you a use case before you continue, Mike.
Sure.
You could connect to an English language website, and let's say you've got a blog which is in Hindi. It would automatically pull the English language new articles and rewrite the article in Hindi and publish it to your Hindi blog. So you can actually take content from another language, create a new article in another language, and publish it and keep that going. So it's crazy about the kind of work that you can do.
Now we're going to play a demo here in just a second. And I know that you actually have some real life case studies of people getting results with this. Before we touch on that, I just want to mention the fact that if you're watching this interview right now and you're watching it before the webinar, which I think you guys are doing on Sunday at what time Eastern? What time are you guys doing it?
On 2 p.m. EDT.
2
So
p.m. Eastern
Eastern
on
would be like
Sunday.
1 hour ahead or behind. I'm not so sure. But
Okay, so
EDT, yeah.
if you're watching this before, you can go ahead and click that link below. It's going to take you to a page where you can sign up and get on that webinar. What other than seeing the case studies up close and being able to ask questions and whatnot, what other incentives do they have to actually attend that webinar?
All right, so I'm gonna actually reveal a great system to rank and create content that people can use while they're creating their own content to actually create ranking blogs. Now, I've been using Blogi myself, and we have a case study on the webinar where we show how I was able to rank a blog from zero to ranking on Google on complete autopilot. So I'm gonna actually share that system, and in the webinar is actually more of education. It's not just going to talk about the product, it's going to talk about the way we were able to do this. So I think it's a must attend, because that's the only way you're going to get into that particular secret.
Okay, so if you guys want to check out those case studies and see some actual examples of this in action, then definitely sign up below and join that webinar. What I'm going to do now, Cyril, is I'm going to jump over and play a quick demo so people can see this in action, and then we'll come back and I've got some more questions for you.
Blogi AI Writer is meant to be set up once and it just works forever in the background, posting your articles. To get started, click on campaigns and create a new campaign. So you can give it a name. I've pre-filled it now. Let's start a recipe blog. This is my test blog URL. You will also need to create a login. This is the actual login to the WordPress blog. And you will need to create an application password. Once you've put in the application password correctly, then you can select whether you want the articles that Blogi generates to go to publish mode or draft mode. You can also put in some keywords that you want to target. So I have put in some keywords over here. Blogi will use these keywords to create related content, and of course it's gonna create content that targets these keywords. Once you're ready, click on plus. All these keywords are added. Then click on next, and you can also follow some websites. So if you want to target a particular website and get all the latest content from it and post it to your blog, you could do so. For example, I can put in my mother's website. She is a popular food blogger, in fact. And then you need to put in the article selector. It's a CSS selector, and again, it's a 1 minute process. And now any new article on this website will be posted to your blog after rewriting it. You can schedule how often you want your blog to be updated. You can select specific days of the week. For example, let's say you want an article on Sunday or Wednesday. It's quite a powerful scheduler. You can go as granular as a minute. You can select what writing model, what AI you want to use to write these articles. And we've got quite a bunch, some of the best AI models around. And you can also select the language in which you want to produce the articles. You can further qualify the kind of content you want. You can put in some style, maybe even put in a style sample, the personality of the writer. And if you want to create images, just click yes, and Blogi will read the article by itself and create an image appropriate. And finally, if you want to have really high quality rewrites, use rewrite para by para. It creates more original and authentic articles. You can select the number of words you want to target. So if you want to target 1200 words, for example, select that and you will get that many words. So I've put in all this info. I've selected the personality. and I'm ready to go to the next step. If you want to promote a particular product or have a call to action inside the article, just put it in the footer. Here is the footer right over here. And if you want to promote certain links inside the article, that's doable. Just put in the link text over here and put in the links to promote. So if you want to create affiliate blogs, you want to promote affiliate articles, or you want to promote your own products, all of that is possible with Blogi. And if you're rewriting an article online from a website online, you can choose whether to remove the links from the original source or keep them. Click on next. You can choose to be notified. Then you can come back, see the articles if you want to modify it or delete it. And you can also be notified when the article is published, your campaign is created, and that's all you need to do to activate your Blogi. Blogi can also rewrite your articles. Just paste your original content here, select the campaign, then select the model, and select whether you want to rewrite para by para, and click on Rewrite Now. And here we have the rewritten article with a new title, all the content and image, and all the SEO done for you. You can either download the article or you can publish it directly to your blog. We also have a manual writer. Again, you can select a few settings. I put in the topic and some keywords. Click on next and your new article will be written. And here we have an all new article that you can modify on the fly. For example, let's take this paragraph. If you want to rewrite it, expand it, or make an image for it, you can do that in just a few seconds. Let me just rewrite this para. Click on this button and you have the rewritten para right over here, and clicking this button will replace it. And you can also create an image. Let's just create an image for this one, and you've got a beautiful image over here. No matter whether you want to use the automatic writer or you want to write an article manually, Blogi makes it easy.
Okay, so we're back. So yeah, that's an amazing software, Cyril. I mean, just the fact that you guys can do all of that within one software, I think is incredible. But I just want to kind of be clear here. I know that you guys are having a front end offer, a normal kind of like a sales funnel where you buy a product and you can go through a sales funnel. Or if you want to skip all that on the webinar, you're going to have a special bundle deal that you can pick up as well. So can you just kind of talk to us a little bit about what these offers entail and how that bundle deal works?
Absolutely. So the front end offer is good if you're going to use it on one blog for your own personal use, maybe even two blogs, but it's not going to be able to help you scale up because, I can't give away everything on the front end. I want to make it as affordable as possible. And that's what I've done with the front end. But obviously, I have put in a lot of money creating this product. So I need to make sure that there is enough opportunity for people to use the advanced features and also for me to get to justify that I get paid for this. So there are some upsells which add on features, professional version, which adds on a lot of features. Like on the front end, you get 7 AIs, and on the pro version, you get 10 more to give you a total of 17 AIs. You get more
Okay, so
credits,
you
and
need
there's
to
a
have you do need to have the bundle, or you need to upgrade to get all 17 of those. Let's be clear about that, because we talked in the
absolutely.
interview about there being 17. So want to make sure that's for people who either get the bundle or if you upgrade to the pro version. Let's be clear. Okay.
Yeah, because if you're gonna, let's say you're gonna run dozens of blogs, then you can use the 17 AIs to create all these differentiated blogs and unique content. So definitely it's worth having. Now the bundle has a lot more. There is also a reseller version which allows you to sell Blogi licenses to other people, make money from it. Now it is a proven product. It's well tested, so it's an easy sell. Now you've known me for a while, Nike, so you also know that my products don't go out of maintenance. If I make something today, I'm gonna keep selling it, keep maintaining it for years. Like CloudFunnels, one of my products that I've been selling since 2019, it's still in sales. I just added AI to it a couple of months ago. It's a market leader in its niche right now. So I create products that go long term, so easy to make money from them if you get the reseller too. Then there is also the done for you system, and there are three, there are a couple of good products that you can get to help you make more money from the blogs that you create. Like there is Converti, which can help you get conversions, more conversions and more leads from your blogs. There is a product called AI Collective, which is like you can call it like a kind of Perplexity product, but it has 50 AIs. So, if you want to chat with AI, you should be able to chat with all of them. That's my target with AI Collective. You can have a single interface And just like you chat with people, you can talk to 50 AIs. And that's a great way to, either if you're looking for information, if you're looking for ideas, if you're looking to rewrite content or make social media posts, you can just ask different AIs to do the same task and find out which one is better. So that's also available. And all of these products are at a great discount. Like usually the value of the product that I'm gonna, if you buy it from the website itself, is gonna cost you about $147 to get the same product, which will be here for $67. So, and by the way, that's yearly. So this is a one-time deal only during the launch. After that, of course, it goes to all yearly. So all of that put together, it's over $500 in value. But if you do decide to get the bundle, it can be $297. So it's a money saver and a great bargain.
You have some kind of, I think, did you miss one? There's like a done for you auto blog. Is that
Yeah, the
also
done
included?
for you service is a special service for people who don't have blogs, because I was talking to my partner, and some people don't even have blogs yet. They want to use Blogi, but they will have to set up a blog from scratch. And there is an upsell over here. There's an upgrade over here, which we will create your blog and we will connect Blogi to it. We'll set it up. We'll give you the hosting. We'll give you everything. Basically, it will be a complete ready to go blog, which you can just click a button and get started on. So that's a done for you service, which is available. It's not a part of the bundle deal. It's because it can be. It's not something that everybody needs or wants to use. So we have kept it as a separate product, but it is there in the upgrades if you want to get it. And
Cool.
even the
Okay.
bundle deal, people can get access to it if they want to.
Okay, so if you pick up the bundle, you can get you get the front end offer with the basic and advanced. You get the
All the
the
all the
publisher
upsells
version,
except the DFI.
the reseller version, the converti version, the blog AI Collective Pro. You get all those for a huge discounted price. I mean, that's amazing. I don't know how you guys are giving such a low price on that, and you don't have to go through a crazy sales funnel. And if you want, you can upgrade from either of them. You can upgrade and get that special done for you auto blog one if you want to. That's a potential upgrade for either one.
Yes, that's right.
Cool. Cool. Okay, one last question for you, Cyril. When it comes to like making money with these types of content, in your experience, what has worked for you, or what would you recommend people do?
Absolutely. There are several ways. Like one of the things you could do is run a blog on specific niche, and you can use it to grab leads. Like you can have giveaway offers. Here is my bonus. And this is the article. People who come to see the article through the search, they will discover your content. Then you can show them a pop-up asking them to subscribe, give them an ebook, and it's a great way to get traffic, which you're not paying for. So no need to run ads, no need to do anything, and you get paid. The second thing, which I was talking to another marketer, and he's actually planning to do that. About running a set of affiliate blogs targeting products in any niche. So you could, you just follow the best affiliate marketer that you think of, put Blogi on their blog and get all the latest affiliate articles to yourself. Of course, all copyright free, all rewritten original content that passes Copyscape, that is unique and can rank. So you will be able to create affiliate, traffic too. You can do that for Amazon products. You can do that for JVZoo products. Practically any niche. Go to ClickBank, find offers, or go to any other affiliate program, find offers, get the best blog, and you can create a lot of content on that. Now, I'll tell you about another way. I was talking to one of my friends, Ankur Shukla, recently, and he has a legendary network of 180 different blogs where he is monetizing through AdSense. And each of these blogs is giving like someone is giving $1 a day, some is giving 50 cents, some blog is generating like $3-4 a day, and he's generating over $6,000. And this kind of thing you can actually do with Blogi, because right now he's paying a lot of article writers, maybe from Fiverr, maybe freelancer. He's got his own set of people too that he's collected over time. But you can pretty much do that with Blogi. So anything that a blog can do for you, whether you want to promote your own product, or you want to be an affiliate marketer, or you want to get AdSense income, it can do all of that.
In your experience, are you allowed to use, like, as far as Google and AI content, are they okay if you make an AdSense site and put like AdSense on it?
Absolutely. Here is the thing. Before even I wrote the first line of code in this product, I did very good research on what Google allows to do and what it doesn't allow to do. And I'm quoting Google's policy. The exact words are rewarding good content no matter how it's produced. So if you see someone banned It could even be a human being. If you're creating spammy content, if your content is low quality, you're going to get banned. It's not about AI content. Google ranks a lot of AI content online, and as long as it's ranking, as long as it's relevant, it's unique, it's not just copied over from any other person, or you just don't copy paste it and you just don't create thin content, it's going to be fine. And Blogi meets all of those conditions. It doesn't generate thin content, it generates relevant content that can be trending, topical, and you can just set it up once and actually get rankings. And yes, you can have AdSense on this too.
Is this primarily for WordPress websites? Can it work for non-WordPress websites? How does that work?
Okay, so now I have integration for WordPress in there. So you can connect it to your WordPress website and get auto publishing. It doesn't connect to any other platform for auto publishing, but you can create articles. It will create those articles on schedule. You can view them and copy and paste them to your blog. But if you want auto publishing, then of course you need WordPress for this. And it is the most popular platform. I suppose nearly all of our clients have it, so it shouldn't be a big problem. But yeah, otherwise you would have to do this manually.
No, I personally use WordPress, and I recommend everyone has at least one WordPress website. But if you've got another platform that you're using and you still want to use the content, you can just you can create it inside the software, copy it, and just paste it in. And that's also another way of doing it. Cyril, thank you so much. I'm glad you're back. Thank you so much for coming back on the show today. Is there anything else, anything that we missed, anything you want to mention before we wrap it up?
Well, just this important information. This is going to be a one-time product only during the launch. I have been selling it before the launch for recurring, and right after the launch, I'm going to take it back to recurring. And I don't usually put my products on one time again ever. So this is probably the only time you can get it for a one-time price. So I would recommend, if this is something you would like to do with your business to create automatic blogs that rank and they get traffic, then this is the right time, the best time to get it.
No, I know you actually do that. You like to put your software on reoccurring because that's how you can maintain your business and get paid over and over again. I know that you do that in the long run. So yeah, guys, again, if you want to get this and you want to make sure that you're not paying over and over and over for it, you're just paying one time, make sure you grab this deal. Again, Cyril, thank you so much for coming on the show, and best of luck with your launch.
Thank you so much, Mike. Pleasure to be here.